Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Crafter 30 MWB Highline 2.0 TDI 140 brake horsepower, auto and sleek grey. This powerful van is packed with features for comfort, convenience and safety. With only 11 kilometers on the clock, this van is practically brand new. From adjustable seats to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. Not to mention, it comes with a comprehensive warranty and has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check. Trust that this van has been serviced to manufacturer specification and is ready to hit the road. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own such a reliable and high quality vehicle. Contact us at or visit our website blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive with peace of mind in the Volkswagen Crafter 30 MWB Highline.